Hi, ladies and gentlemen. It's Mr. Elton here, helping you with section 6 on your linear equations review packet. This section is over writing linear equations from real-world scenarios. I'm going to show you two examples. The first one is about my friend Greg. He owns 100 Pokemon cards. They're pretty big back when we were kids, but he buys 10 more every week for some reason. He's an adult. I'm not sure why he's doing this, but we're going to write a linear equation. I hope you guys understand that a linear equation or function is always written using slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b, or standard form, ax plus bx, not bx, ax plus by is equal to c. Now the question is, when do I use each of these, and why do I use the particular one that I'm choosing? Generally speaking, we will use slope-intercept form. And in order to use slope-intercept form, you just need to ask yourself one simple question. Which number given to you is a rate? In other words, is changing over time? And another way of saying that question is, which of these is your slope? Okay, is the 100 Pokemon cards that he started with the slope, or is it the 10 more he buys every week? The answer is the 10 more he buys every week is a slope because he's getting more over time. It's changing. If I told you he's buying them for 20 weeks, you would know, hey, that's a different amount of cards than after 2 weeks. Anyways, if that's M, that leaves one possibility for B, the 100 cards he had at the beginning. And a good hint there, your y-intercept will always be some sort of starting amount. Now, not all problems fit into this, and that's when we need to go to this guy, the standard form. Now, standard form is only used as kind of a last resort, and you'll know you need to use standard form if you're given 2 rates rather than 1. I'll show you this other example. As you can already guess, we're going to use standard form, but the question is why. When I read this example, it says John buys hamburgers for $1 a patty and hot dogs for 50 cents each. I had a college roommate named John, and he did this. He would eat a lot of hot dogs and hamburgers. But if he spends $10, I want you to write a linear equation. Now, here's the issue. He's spending $1 per patty. He's spending 50 cents for each hot dog. That means these numbers are both rates. They're changing. And so, again, in order to do this, we're going to need this standard form. We could try to use slope-intercept form, but the issue is, which one of these is the slope? And the answer is, well, they're both kind of slopes. And these numbers are going to go right here in for A and B in our equation. It doesn't matter which is which. I'll call, A, the dollar for each hamburger. So that makes X the number of hamburgers. B, I'll call 50 cents or $0.5 for every hot dog. And what is these two added together equal to? Well, these are equal to how much money he spends total. And that's the big hint, again, with this third number here. C is going to be some kind of total amount. So if you ever have like a total amount in a problem, that's a good hint that it's going to be standard form. Also, the fact that you didn't have any sort of beginning amount. If it had said he started with $30 and then spends this much, that would have told you, oh, maybe use slope-intercept form instead. But hopefully that's clear. If you have any questions over these two types of problems, please let me know, and I'll be happy to help you. They should be pretty doable, though. Thanks, guys.